and then how do they see themselves placed within that story? So that was year one. And then year two and beyond, I think, is really where I started to find my grounding in environmental justice. I grew up going to national parks. I had a childhood that was privileged by a loving family that enjoyed road trips, and we'd go to the Badlands, we'd go to Yellowstone, we would go to the Rockies, and so on. And then growing up with my care for the earth, I was steeped in the American environmental tradition, or in environmentalisms, plural. But I came to see the problems that lie within those traditions, and so grateful for faculty and students and friends who we would have conversations that challenged me to look beyond this sort of lineage from romanticism and deism, moving through to the 20th century environmentalism and so on, looking beyond that and seeing this plurality of approaches to humans responding to the needs of other humans, but also the needs of the earth community. So, Howard Thurman speaking about, combining the sort of Christian nature mysticism with racial, dealing with the racialized hatred in the early 20th century, or Martin Luther King Jr., right? And the seeing class divisions, race divisions entangled with ecological devastation. Warren County environmental justice movement in the early 80s. You got this beautiful lineage of prophetic social Black teachings that are then channeled into battles against the state of North Carolina, or corporations in North Carolina dumping cancer-causing waste in predominantly Black communities. So just this idea that religion and ecology, for me, took on new tones and layers and a depth that hadn't been there